CycloTech CruiseUp. Combining cutting-edge technology with environmentally responsible transportation, the CycloTech CruiseUp is a revolutionary invention in the realm of urban mobility. The modern commuter is the target audience for this tiny electric-assisted bicycle, which places an emphasis on functionality, efficiency, and environmental friendliness. It is extraordinarily simple to ride even in crowded city streets thanks to CycloTech's one-of-a-kind C-drive technology, which makes use of a gyroscopic mechanism to improve stability and maneuverability. The CruiseUp is equipped with this system. High-grade aluminum is used in the construction of its lightweight structure, which ensures durability without sacrificing portability. Riders are able to smoothly navigate hills and long distances thanks to the bike's electric motor, which is built to be both powerful and silent. It also provides seamless pedal assistance. Concept Ebike 1865. Showing how historical design and current materials may coexist, the Concept Ebike 1865 is a contemporary take on the velocipede from the 19th century. To showcase the possibilities of innovative polymers in electromobility, BASF, and the DING, 3000 Design Studio collaborated to construct this e-bike as a design study. Only the motor, axles, and brakes are constructed of metal on this bike. The rest is virtually entirely plastic. Its front wheel is huge and its back wheel is little, just like the original velocipedes. For added safety and convenience, the electric motor is tucked away under a cover on the back wheel, and the battery is cleverly integrated into the removable seat, making it even more portable and secure. Using 24 cutting-edge materials from BASF's product line, Concept 1865 is more than simply a bicycle. It's an experiment in connecting the past and future. Zapata Air Scooter. A state-of-the-art personal flying machine, the Zapata Air Scooter is a VTOL aircraft built as a hybrid electric vehicle. Notably, it satisfies the requirements of the Federal Aviation Authority's Part 103 regulations, which categorize it as an ultralight aircraft and permit its operation in the United States without a pilot's license. Unlike competing VTOLs, the Air Scooter can stay airborne for an impressive 2 hours because to its proprietary hybrid electric propulsion system. Innovative fly-by-wire controls that are computer-assisted make it safe and easy to use with little to no training. In addition, it has a carbon footprint similar to a passenger car, thanks to its hybrid drivetrain and sustainable fuel. The Zapata Flyboard Air, a similar product, was expected to sell for around $25,000, while the precise price is not disclosed. An affordable and environmentally friendly alternative to private aircraft. Arosno E-Trace. One of the most innovative winter sports products is the Arosno E-Trace, which is widely recognized as the first electric snowbike in the world. This one-of-a-kind snowmobile combines elements of a sled with an e-mountain bike, creating an exhilarating and steady ride. The E-Trace has a detachable battery pack that claims to provide 45 kilometers of autonomy and a Sachs RS 250W motor that can assist you go up to 25 kilometers per hour. Features an Enviolo continuously variable gearbox, a high-performance rubber track manufactured by Camzo, and a sturdy aluminum alloy frame. The ergonomic composite seat adds comfort, and it can support users with weights up to 120 kilograms and heights between 145 and 200 centimeters. With an additional 250 euros for delivery, the total price of the E-Trace is 7,990 euros. The combination of its user-friendliness and the thrill of snow sports makes it a giant leap forward in environmentally conscious and entertaining winter leisure. Kuberg Ranger. Teens and adults alike may enjoy the rugged terrain on the Kuberg Ranger, an electric dirt bike scooter that is distinctive in its design. You may personalize it with a trailer and a pneumatic seat that reclines all the way. Ranging from up to 60 miles in environment mode to about 19 miles at full speed, the Ranger's 14 kilowatt motor provides ample power. Thanks to its low center of gravity, which improves stability on any surface, it is suitable for riders of all skill levels. Distinctive components of the bike include an exclusive controller, a one-of-a-kind battery, and exclusive motor technology. Aside from being incredibly silent and offering instant torque, The Ranger is also incredibly light. Plus, it's built to be adaptable and sturdy, so you can attach everything you need for your trips. With the Kuberg Ranger, you may enjoy a truly unique riding experience, whether you're out for an adventure, a leisurely cruise, or a triumphant triumph. Rewaco Trikes. Made in Germany since 1990, Rewaco Trikes are famous for their cutting-edge style and top-notch engineering. Riding one of these trikes is like no other because of the way they combine style with performance. For example, Rewaco spent 30 years perfecting their tricycle designs before releasing the PUR3 GT. The RF1 GT model offers a fusion of stylish style and sporty driving, and it can be personalized with many equipment options. The RF1 ST, which comes in 2- and 3-seater configurations, provides plenty of storage capacity for anyone in need. The 1.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine is the meat and potatoes of these trikes. Horsepower levels range from 110 to 177. Prices for Rewaco trikes range from around $39,223 for the base model to as much as $45,947 for the most expensive models, such as the PUR3 GT. The trike's high pricing are a reflection of the brand's dedication to producing high quality. Quiggle Folding Bike. For the city dweller who prioritizes form and function, Quiggle has created a folding bike that is a technical marvel. Made in Germany, this bike is renowned for being the world's smallest folding bike, with a folded size of 55 x 40 x 25 cm, making it ideal for hand luggage. The Quiggle isn't only big, it's also incredibly light, weighing only 9 to 10 kilograms, so it's easy to handle or pull along like a trolley. The value and originality of the Quiggle are reflected in its pricing. Prices begin at €1,421 for certain models. The price tag belies the bike's high-tech folding mechanism, premium materials, and meticulous assembly, which allow it to fold down to an incredibly small footprint while yet keeping its overall weight down. Those looking for a long-lasting, easily transportable, and fun ride will love it. The Quiggle folding bike offers a one-of-a-kind combination of portability and performance. Zapata Jet Racer. A state-of-the-art flying vehicle with exceptional speed, agility, and adaptability, the Zapata Jet Racer was created by Frankie Zapata. Its VTOL design and 10 jet engines provide it unparalleled all-weather performance. The Jet Racer can operate from small landing pads, like offshore platforms and boats, because to its compact dimensions, which is 204 centimeters in length, 204 centimeters in breadth, and 153 centimeters in height. For safety and user-friendliness, it has proprietary fly-by-wire controls that need nothing in the way of instruction. It serves a wide range of civilian and military uses thanks to its manned and unmanned flight capabilities made possible by its modular carbon chassis architecture. With a maximum payload capacity of 200 kilograms and a maximum speed of 250 kilometers per hour, the Jet Racer can reach an intended maximum altitude of 3,000 meters. It's made to be swung around at tremendous speeds. Honda Extended Reality Mobility. An innovative undertaking, Honda's Extended Reality Mobility experience merges the excitement of mobility with the engrossing realm of virtual reality. And revolutionary hands-free personal mobility gadget, the Honda Uni One, is at the center of this experience. Users can intuitively travel in any direction on the Uni One by adjusting their center of gravity. At SXSW 2024, this one-of-a-kind attraction let visitors ride the Uni One while fully submerging themselves in virtual worlds. Thanks to its sophisticated sensors and self-balancing technology, the Uni One can adapt its movement to your changing posture with ease. Whether you're standing or sitting, you can easily adjust the seat's height to make it comfortable for interaction. As a reflection of Honda's mission to make mobility more fun and accessible, the device is driven by their Omni-Traction drive system, which enables smooth multi-directional movement. Lazareth Wazuma W8M. Combining the excitement of superbikes with the stability of quad bikes, the Lazareth Wazuma W8M is an engineering marvel. A Ferrari 3.0-liter V8 engine producing an incredible 250 horsepower is its beating heart. You can guide all that power into gear with the M3's 6-speed sequential shifter mounted on the handlebars. With its exotic look and high-performance suspension, the W8M is sure to turn heads on the road. It comes standard with 18-inch Momo wheels and slick tires. Braking is also top-notch with 324mm disc brakes clamped down by Brembo calipers. With its light 650 kilograms frame, electric power steering, and advanced engine management system, this quad offers a snappy and nimble ride. The asking price for the Wazuma W8M, a one-of-a-kind car, is around $238,000. It's more than just a car, it's a collector's item because it's a limited edition. Acedeck Nyx Z3. For off-road riding that won't break the bank, look no further than the Acedeck Nyx Z3. Built for serious off-roading, it features a gear drive 4.0 system and shock-absorbing channel trucks to keep you comfortable no matter the terrain. Using a 14S 5P Samsung 50S battery, the board can reach speeds of 37 miles per hour and has a torque of 65 Newton meters. You can have a range of up to 95 kilometers with several battery variants. Made from high-quality CNC materials, the Nyx Z3 is practically indestructible and has a 150 kilogram weight capacity. It has stability and traction-enhanced AT pneumatic 8-inch wheels mounted on CNC metal hubs. Prices for the skateboard have dropped from $1,999 to $1,599, with a range of battery capacities to choose from. With its impressive features and high-quality construction, the Nyx Z3 is an excellent pick for those who love off-road electric skateboarding. WHILL Model F. Modern mobility aids like the WHILL Model F cater to people who place a premium on personal autonomy and fashionable transportation. The perfect travel companion, it is lightweight, foldable, and easy to maneuver. The Model F's 780mm turning radius enables effortless maneuvering in congested airports or narrow interior spaces. More than just portability, it should fit in with your way of life without a hitch. Let the Model F take you where you want to go, because it can traverse obstacles as big as 35mm and has a maximum driving range of 20 kilometers. The chair may be controlled from a distance and has adjustable speeds thanks to its app-enabled intelligence. Because safety is of the first importance, the Model F can drive securely up and down slopes up to 10 degrees. Being both lightweight and airline approved, it is both convenient and dependable. There are 5 different color possibilities for the arm covers. ENGWE M20 Ebike. An electric bike that manages to be both fashionable and practical is the ENGWE M20. Both its stylish appearance and its dual LED headlights are lauded for their ability to illuminate nighttime journeys. The bike's utility is enhanced by its horn, integrated lights, and fenders. It has a 750-watt brushless motor and a 75 kilometers range on a single battery, with the ability to add a second battery for longer rides. It has a fixed height seat and weighs about 35 kilograms, so it might not be comfortable for everyone. The M20 can manage mild off-road terrain, but it won't impress when it comes to climbing hills. Those in the market for a long-range e-bike will find it reasonably priced at $1,299 for the single battery variant. To sum up, the ENGWE M20 strikes a nice mix between affordability and performance, making it an ideal e-bike for both daily commutes and off-road adventures. Acedeck Nomad N3. If you're looking for the pinnacle of electric skateboard performance, go no further than the Acedeck Nomad N3. The top speed is 37 miles per hour, and it comes with 2 battery options, a basic 1,304 watt-hour battery that can go up to 43 miles, and an elite 1,554 watt-hour battery that can go up to 55 miles. Renowned for their reliability and outstanding torque, the board is powered by 6,384 6,890ths motors that were custom designed. It can glide over any surface thanks to its 7-inch pneumatic wheels mounted on CNC metal hubs. Durable and comfortable, the deck is a multi-layer composite made of carbon fiber. The addition of bright LED lighting enhances its modern design and makes it safer to ride at night. Prices for the Acedeck Nomad N3 range from $1,899 for the base model to $2,199 for the top-tier version. Aston Martin Volante Vision Concept. An investigation into individual aerial mobility is embodied in the Aston Martin Volante Vision Concept. Cranfield Aerospace Solutions, Cranfield University, and Rolls-Royce collaborated to create this concept plane, which exemplifies Aston Martin's innovative, future-oriented design. It can take off and land vertically and is engineered to offer efficient, rapid, and congestion-free transportation. A flying autonomous hybrid electric vehicle for urban and intercity air travel is envisioned in this concept research, which takes place in the near future. It makes excellent use of cutting-edge aeronautical, electrical, and autonomous technology, and it can accommodate 3 adults comfortably. A team of top-tier aerospace engineers, propulsion experts, and designers came together to create the Volante Vision concept. For consumers all across the world, it is said to provide an intriguing alternate mode of transportation.